See, Maria, put the bear on the side, please.
There's a piece of napkin that's going around in circles on the table and Stephanie's trying to blow it out.
Who's that?
Come on.
Okay, see, Maddie, go to the other one. Stephanie, go to the other one. Go to the other one, Steph. The other side, sweetie, the other side. Hurry up, hurry up. Hold on, see, Maddie. Hold on, hold on, hold on, see, Maddie. Hold on, Stephanie, do it, do it. Sweetie, the other side.
Sorry.
Stay there, stay there. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Who's that? This is my mommy for wrapping it too good.
I'm sorry.
Can I open the whole thing?
Go on, Steph. Go on, quickly, quickly.
Who's that?
Oh my gosh, where did you find this?
Good question. Stephanie, who's that? Press the button, sweetie, so they can hear it.
What are you doing? Huh?
Cool, my sweet guitar. It's got my guitar. Go girl, pants are blue and very cool.
Listen, remember when you put them together, they make different noises. Ari!
I'm a thinking toy.
You gonna tell them you got a new Ari?
Hey girlfriend, you wrote the book
Right.
on looking cool.
Say bye-bye to the camera. Say happy birthday, Steph.
Happy birthday to you, Steph.